Differentiating vectors. We have seen with variable acceleration that displacement, velocity, acceleration, to go in this direction we differentiate, and to go in this direction we integrate. This holds when we are moving in 2 dimensions, and indeed later on when we're moving in 3 dimensions. And we can differentiate vectors. This is done by differentiating components. So if r is equal to xy, remember that we normally replace displacement as s with r once we move into 2 dimensions. So r is equal to xy, and let's suppose that our x and y here are both functions of t. Then, to get velocity, we just differentiate the vector, which means differentiating the I component and differentiating the j component. And then to get the acceleration, we just differentiate again.